miles home, and today we're going to show you how to get from Canary Wharf underground station to our apartments. Firstly, you're going to take the exit towards Jubilee Plaza. When you get to the top of the escalators, you're going to turn left. In front of you, you will see an underground sign, and we're heading towards the overcome building where we're going to cut through. Let's start our journey. Okay, once you cut through the building, you see a bridge. We're going to cross over the bridge and make our way to the top. Alongside the restaurant at the front of the building. Line living in front of you, you will see the DLR station, and that is the direction we are heading in. Okay, we have to take through past the Tesco itself. The side where you can see the Mill Harbour. Okay, when you get to Mill Harbour, we are turning left and we are almost there. Where our reception team are located.